In today's video, I'm going to teach you why is ChatGPT so slow sometimes, while causes, fixes, and faster alternatives. If ChatGPT feels sluggish, you're usually seeing a mix of demand, network, and device factors. At peak times, when lots of people are using the service, the servers queue more work and responses take longer. Your own connection also matters. Unstable Wi-Fi, bandwidth caps, or packet loss can delay messages even when the model is ready. Prompts play a role too. Very long or complex instructions require more computation, which can slow generation and streaming. On your side, an overloaded browser with many tabs or heavy extensions, or a device with limited RAM or CPU, especially older phones, can make the interface stutter. Finally, model choice matters. Higher capability tiers often trade speed for deeper reasoning. Let's walk through practical fixes, starting with the most impactful. First, reduce prompt size, trim extra context, split large tasks into smaller steps, and keep instructions focused. This lowers the token load and usually speeds up replies. Next, refresh your session. A quick page reload or app restart clears transient hiccups. If things are still slow, switch networks. Use a more stable connection or a wired link to cut Wi-Fi variability. Consider changing your browser or app. Update to the latest version, clear cache, and temporarily disable heavy extensions to remove overhead. When possible, work during off-peak hours to avoid congestion. And if your plan allows it, select a faster model variant to favor latency over maximum reasoning depth. For power users, a few optimization techniques help sustain speed. Structure prompts clearly with concise constraints, so the model needs fewer clarifying turns. Think about batching versus chaining. Combine related requests when they share context, but split independent tasks to avoid bloating a single prompt. When you need length, go streaming friendly. Ask for an outline first, then expand sections. Reuse templates for recurring workflows so you're not sending the same boilerplate over and over. On desktop browsers like Chrome, disable non-essential extensions, enable hardware acceleration, and keep the browser current. On the ChatGPT mobile app, close background apps, update to the latest version, and avoid low-power mode during heavy generations so the CPU and network aren't throttled. If latency is mission-critical, consider alternatives. Mistral AI models can be very efficient. DeepSeek models are strong on technical work with competitive speed, and local or open models reduce network delay if your hardware can handle them, with trade-offs in setup and quality. Bottom line, most slowdowns are temporary. By tightening prompts, stabilizing your environment, and choosing the right model, you can noticeably improve speed. And for the most time-sensitive workflows, explore faster or local options.